So today we are building Joey Dolands 20-inch BMX, his first big wheel bike. Lovely BTM from S&M, stacked up with S&M and fit goodies and some other awesome sods. But yeah, it's going to be a fun build, and before we document it, building it in a cool bike shop. Let's go. That was my elbow, not my chainsaw, making those noises. So here we have it. This is the 2024 Joey Dolan bike, aka the S&M Btm. We are rocking 20.5 top tube for this one. So Joey's been riding an 18-inch previously. He's getting pretty good into going fast and high. So we figured, little guy, 20.5, still a bit long, good bit of leverage. So this should suit him down to the ground. We've gone 8.6 on the holder bars. Big bars for a little guy, small bars for a big dude. You know what I mean? But they are perfect for this build. 48mm profile push stem, keeping it nice and short. Gonna make a point here, so we've got a relic headset on there, repping the local scene. But things like the forks being cut down, that's an adjustment I'll make when the customer comes to get the bike, because obviously it's got to be perfect to them. So I will leave that as it is for now. 28mm offset, S&M pitchforks, wide mouth versions. We have got Pentra Park sprocket, UK, rider owned, rider made, all that good stuff. We are pushing these sprockets through the shop at the moment, so it's good to get Joe rocking one of them on his bike in a minute. We have the Long Johnson post, once again very long, but I don't like putting any scratches on the seat post, so we will leave that to the last minute. So when he comes in, if he wants me to chop any more off, adjust it, we can do all of that. We've tied it up with this nice fit slim saddle at the moment, looking pretty steezy for his bike. Joey is very particular about things being very plain, so I like to think he's going to enjoy that one. We have relic flat out 2.25s front and rear, same again. Chunky for a little guy, skinny for a big dude, but it should be perfect for this fit. All round terrain, Joey likes riding a bit of everything, so it should be good for that. We have got profile hubs front and rear on the minis, all the titanium goodness. We have relic arc rims front and rear as well, double butted spokes, everything's nice and pimping. And then obviously through the drivetrain we've got some Connolly cranks built on here. This is just a personal preference. And Connolly pedals, he's been a fan of those ones, so he's rocking them at the minute, keeping it nice and light, but yeah, looking pretty tidy. Almost forgot, nice shadow half link. Same again, that's a personal preference for Joe. Only a little guy, but he likes to trust his chain, likes to pedal hard, so yeah, good choice there. Looking nice. What do you think? Oh, BTM grips. Good enough for Hoda, good enough for Joey Dolan. That's for the haters telling me I don't put grease on bits, look.